This video will help you assemble a single-sided retail shelving unit from a foldable rack. To assemble this, you will need a spanner for adjusting leg height and a spirit level. First, you will need to place both posts up and put a backboard in. This part can be done alone, but it is recommended to have someone help you hold the posts up. Then you put all the backboards in. Next, put the bottom shelf on and place the spirit level on top. Then, use your spanner to adjust the feet until everything is level. You can also use your fingers, but it could be a bit hard. Now put the kick panel in and place the bottom board back on top. The next step is to place the brackets in. Make sure both brackets are level. Then, put the shelves on top of the brackets. Once this is done, place the cap on the top. Next, you want to use your thumb to push the data strap into place and then slide your thumb across both sides. You will feel it click, and this ensures the data strap is in properly. Then you want to place the wire fence in. If the fence feels like it doesn't want to fit in, just smack it down with the palm of your hand. And now you have finished assembling a single-sided unit in less than 5 minutes. This part will show you how to put the extensions up. First, you want to take off the cap. Then, you place both the extensions into the posts. Next, place the backboard in and then the cap back on top, and you're done. It doesn't get easier than that. This last part is just to show the quality and strength of our shelving. Each level has a weight capacity of 80 kgs. As you can see, this shelf is holding me up with no problems at all. And there you have it. This is how you assemble a single-sided shelving unit from a foldable rack.